5 tips to help clean tiles like a professional. When working hard to reduce germs and other microorganisms from our homes, we must remember how essential it is to clean the tiles. Regular cleaning of the tiles in our home will help in reducing the risk of our family members falling ill. Today's video is about how you can keep your tiles sparkling at all times with little effort and at an affordable budget. As a homeowner, you need to understand that if you don't clean your home correctly, it could become a resting place for bacteria. Dirt and other harmful particles will stay on the tiles and cause an offensive odor. It becomes easy for anyone to slip and fall. It is easy for a dirty tile to become slippery if the grease is not wiped off at the right time. On that note, here are the tips to help make your cleaning easy. Of course, we will leave you with a bonus at the end of this video. So, stay glued. Number 1. Sweep the tiles. Before anything, you need to grab a broom and a dustpan. It helps if the broom is long enough to reach every hidden corner of the house. This will help remove dirt, sand and debris from the floor. When these particles are not well removed from the tiles, it becomes challenging for the tiles to maintain their attractive and shiny look. Therefore, always sweep your tiled floor as many times as possible. What next after sweeping? Number 2. Clean the tiles with a floor mop. This is the next step after sweeping thoroughly. Get a good floor mop and get to work. All you need is warm water and a detergent. Please note that it is more preferable to go for the option of a cotton string mop. This is because they are one of the best options for easy tile cleaning. They help to get rid of the dirt on the tiles effortlessly. When you next visit a store or market, don't be confused about the type of floor mop to buy. The cotton string mop makes scrubbing the tiles easy, and it has an absorbance ability. When mopping the tiles, change the cleaning water as many times as possible. Number 3. Watch out for tile stains. Nobody wants to see stains on their shiny tiles, which is why it is best to get rid of them as soon as you notice them. Lots of things can cause tile stains. In getting rid of stains, the first step is to recognize the type of stain on the tile. There are different measures to apply to getting stains off your tiles. However, when you are certain about the cause of the stain, you can use appropriate solutions to get rid of it. Why do you need to do this? Proper cleaning techniques and tools will help you maintain the tile's design and appearance. If you are enjoying this video, please don't forget to like, share and comment on this post. Please remember that the tiles in your home can last a lifetime if you care for them using the proper technique. Number 4. Use vinegar as a cleaning agent. Vinegar is a multi-purpose cleaning agent that should be present in every home. This cleaning agent helps to remove stains and disinfect the tiles. In cleaning the tiles, you can get white vinegar and add a half cup to a bucket filled with water. Mix the solution properly and get a mop. The mop should be immersed in the solution. Then, you can start your cleaning activity. Clean properly and go forward and backwards to ensure you are getting rid of all the dirt. Note, in cleaning tiles, do not use a scrub, and a hard cleaning brush should not be used on the tiles. Number 5. Cleaning with baking soda. The best way to get rid of stains is by getting them off the tiles as soon as it touches them. Don't allow the stain to settle and become too comfortable on the tile. You can add baking soda to your water, and it will form a cleaning solution together with vinegar. If there are dry stains on the tiles, you need to give the tiles more attention to give them a sharp look. Once you are done, don't leave the baking soda on the tiles to dry up. Wipe off the baking soda by following the cleaning with neat water and a mop. This will leave the tiles shiny with a pleasant fragrance. Finally, here is your bonus tip. Use of ammonia for effective cleaning. Having mildew on the tiles is unhealthy for everyone living in the home. Ammonia is a powerful cleaning agent that helps get rid of mildew from the tiles. All you need is a few drops. Don't forget to wear gloves to protect your hands from coming in contact with ammonia. You don't need excessive amounts of ammonia before you can form a cleaning solution. However, don't forget to always follow through with clean water. No matter how bad your tiles look, they can always shine again if you are ready to put in an effort. It will be best to understand that the floor in our home can last longer if it is well cared for. You cannot completely upgrade the aesthetic look of your home if your tiles are not well taken care of. This includes tiles on the wall. Cleaning the tiles in our home can be overwhelming, but we need to clean them to maintain the home's appeal. Finally, when stains are not removed at the right time, they become permanent and more stubborn to get rid of. Enjoyed our content? Give us a thumbs up, share this video with your friends and subscribe for more of the same. Have questions or ideas? Want to ask us something? Drop us a line in the comments below. Also, we would like to invite to join our virtual online masterclasses to learn more about keeping your home clean and tidy. Thank you for watching, and until next time, FastKlean. A greener and healthier future.